Hey yo, what's good, gang? I hope you're having a blessed day. Go grab whatever it is you need to relax, yo. Come chill with me for a minute. I think I got us a good one today.
On January 8th, 2024, officers in Trotwood, Ohio were dispatched to Voyager Village Trailer Park after a woman was deliberately run over by her father. As officers arrived, the suspect circled back, now armed with a rifle and a shotgun, and took off fleeing, drawing in Dayton police and Montgomery County deputies for a pursuit that would change the lives of Ohio officers forever.
Oh, wow.
Suspect, he does have a long gun. He's got a long gun in the driver's seat. You guys be careful, he's got a long gun. From westbound, on our east expressway.
Service is not going to truck people over southbound.
Let's get it!
Brake check.
He's about to turn down the 3rd Street. South on 3rd.
211 represent puppies. Acting very erratic in the cab. Looks like he's screaming at someone. Again, he does have a long gun pointed out the window.
A long gun pointed out the window.
Gun pointing out the window? Let's go! Come on, baby! Come on!
Bro is gas. Bro's wired. He's the guy in that one meme or that one movie, the cop in the pantry with the flashlight. Like, don't. Like, bro's charged up, ready to go. Like, he waits for this every day.
We are headed to Western Drive.
Let's get it! Hey, start with this.
Do it!
Subject has a long gun pointed out the window. He did purposely hit a female in the wrong way.
71 past the channel with west and with our south channel.
That's it.
He's showing hand signs out the driver's window with like 5 and a 4.
Is his daughter okay?
Cynthia White Dooley. I'm going to stop 6 set up just east of Gettysburg. Continue this way.
With 210 emergency traffic, he's wanting side by cop. He's wanting side by cop coming from his brother. Side by cop coming from his brother.
Get him moving around. Huh?
You might get it.
Damn it.
Hey, let West Cruz know that he's past the connector. Constables, good stick, can't tell. He's got a shotgun and a high-powered rifle.
Really
in
swerved
the vehicle.
into it.
Shots fired!
Oh.
Here. Damn it!
County 271 shot fire.
There they go.
Nothing heavy.
Is that right
They're
there?
gonna start
Right there.
returning.
Hold on. I got you. You're good right. Stop.
Looping back to eastbound. Sorry, westbound 35. Westbound 35.
Go. We're blocking traffic.
Oh, dude. 6-1. Calm.
Oh, he banged you, yeah?
Clear on. Cruise, watch out, get a right left. I'm going to go.
Oh.
Around eastbound on 35.
Oh.
Shots fired.
Around eastbound on 35.
Stop fired! Stop fired!
Bro was in there like, oh shit, oh shit, they ain't playing. Okay. Bro, probably heart racing, bro. He's shitting bricks. This is what he wanted, though, right?
Shots fired.
Westbound 35.
Right here.
He don't want no more sauce. Mind you, they said he had two, though, in the beginning.
35, we're gonna have to take the 35 and let's go.
Oh, he driving it out.
Right tires on right side, get 6. Gun is down in the roadway.
I don't want to be behind him because he's doing that. So keep an eye on him.
In the beginning, right, I know the officer kept saying long gun, but before that, I thought the narrator said he grabbed a handgun and a rifle. Yeah, pretty sure.
Your hands ready.
Yeah.
When we get out, we're getting out ready.
Okay.
Speed about 68. No traffic right now. Still westbound 35. Right lane. Speed's about 65. Looks like he's losing his passenger side front tire.
We will hit this wood.
No.
Not when the gun's off.
He still has a shotgun.
That's what it was.
Here he comes.
Alright, dispatch, 60, no, I didn't shoot at him. 35 got shot with a 33.
Gotta get close to him. Oh! Nope, we trying to get on top of him.
What's your location?
Oh, wow, dude. Bro.
Go. Get back. Get down.
The officer, the minivan.
Hold fire! Hey! Back them up! Go!
Back up!
He's still moving.
Shot fired, gun is out the window. I can see the gun on the ground now for all crews.
Watch your crossfire when it's pulled over. Okay.
Okay, give us the radio, we have shots fired. We need to stop right now.
There was, I don't know if he's in it.
Get this guy out.
Is it? Any good angles make an approach to get him out of that car? Dude, hang on, I don't know. He's moving! I watched him throw the rifle out. We still got movement, guys. Hold off.
Do we know if there's a Trotwood officer in there?
Get a shield over here. Someone get us a shield over here.
Does anybody have a shield?
They have one over here. That's it. All right, let's go. Let's go. Hang on, they're moving. Go. Go.
Watch crossfire.
He's going north. Go ahead.
Swing around the car.
Multiple medics.
Dude, don't lift it.
Pull up!
Go! Hey! Cruiser, let's go!
Ooh.
Let me get the security. That's suspect's gun. Hey, breathe. Hey, you gotta breathe. I know. Hey, look at me. In through your nose, out through your mouth.
Get your key out of there.
Hey, try to get in the car. Try to get in the car.
Give me the head. Give me the head. Give me the head.
Get the intersection shut down.
Keep going. I'm going. Move back. I got you. Go. Hold up. It's in. All right. Go. All right. I got him. Close it. Go. All right, go.
Open up!
Oh, yeah, bud. We doing all right?
Yeah, we're doing good.
We're doing all right? Okay.
My arm hurts a little bit.
Arm hurts? Okay.
Open up!
Bro, no way. Bro's up and talking. Bro's a trooper, bro. What? Bro's a tank. But I thought bro was, dude, I thought he was out that whole time. I didn't know he was responsive. That's dope, bro.
We got you.
Anything else hurt on you or no?
That's my arm.
Just your arm? Okay. All right. I'm not seeing. All right, you got a tourniquet high. Anything else on your bud or no?
Some of you guys gear up. Switch off with him until the music gets in. Yeah. Okay, go to your car. She's in my car. Okay, just pick my car. Right there. Hey, give me one glove.
Cop's belly before. I guess he just got a big belly. I don't know. And the way it was laying, right? I thought maybe his rib got met. Like, I don't know. I guess it was the way he was laying. Part of me in my bed.
We got shots fired too. I emptied a mag in it. Okay, at the car.
What's your name, man?
Mike.
Mike and Zach. Honestly, man, I'm not 100% sure. I know whoever is in that car hit you after shooting at us.
I heard shots fired.
Yeah. So, how long you been with trouble? How long you been with trouble?
25.
25 years?
Yeah.
Who fired?
Okay, let's get him in a car.
My gun's in the car that's going to the hospital with her.
That's fine.
I don't care about your gun. Let's worry about you. You got him. I
Yeah.
know more. Did you shoot?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let's find you a car. Is this your car?
Yeah.
Have a seat.
Start throwing up scene tape.
Floyd, this is Floyd's car. She wasn't in it. So the word's coming. He sees the two cars, Trotwood and us, veers right into it.
I got you when you're ready.
You gonna do a drop or you gonna stay here for a little bit longer?
Stay for a little bit longer.
Stay for a little bit longer? Alright.
They said, yo, who shot? Bro, who didn't shoot? That's the easier question.
Where are you taking me to?
You're going to Miami Valley Hospital. Do you got your cell phone or anything on you? Spouse, wife, or anything like that?
It's in my car.
It's in your car? Okay. Once you get to the hospital, do you want us to make a phone call for you?
Happened.
So there was a car chase, all right, and that guy crashed into your car, all right. Get you to the hospital, okay, bud?
You could have internal bleeding.
Trying to hold you in place.
What?
Trying to hold you in place, you don't bounce around as much.
What happened?
What's that?
I was trying to know what happened.
Yeah, I mean,
Keep saying-
your car got crushed underneath that guy's other vehicle. So So, I think they pulled you out. That's when they put the tourniquet on you. You're right, you're right.
That's when it hurts.
All right, I got you. I got you. You all right?
Yeah, I'm good, really. Saw that whole thing, dude.
Did you witness it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you to stay here for a minute, okay?
Dispatch ETA on the officer.
Hey, you shoot it all?
Yes.
Okay.
About 3 or 4.
We'll get that tape.
Just going on
Let's
the
go.
underpass at 75.
Hey, John, you want to hang with him too? Yeah.
Cop dead, dude.
Everybody was firing.
ETA on the officer.
I'm probably the only one who didn't. I couldn't shoot when he was on. I watched him throw his gun out and everybody was shooting, so I was like, there's no point in me.
Yeah, Floyd wasn't in the car. Trotwood, he's in the hospital now. That's ours.
Have a seat and relax, bro. Take a breath. You're good. Take a breath, man. We got you. You did your job well. Okay?
I think he'll be fine.
I saw him going over, and I'm like, I tried to get on the radio because I was calling out the pursuit.
The officer, I think he'll be good.
I put a mag in it. I know that. So.
Who else fired to get a car? I don't know who else. I heard Matt Brown. I got Matt Brown in my car. Well, Jose's over there. I go,
He definitely fired.
Are the medics who called it all? I don't think
No.
so. Can anybody confirm we have medics coming or not?
is there a medic coming?
Okay.
Medics are en route. They should be rolling up any minute.
What's your part, your role? You all right?
I'm just shaking.
I can see that. Okay.
If I wouldn't have gunned it, I would have been hit.
Okay.
I mean, where that truck is, you can see where I gunned it right through there. That's where my truck was.
Okay.
Oh,
And
wow.
I think it got hit by debris. I haven't even looked at my truck yet. I just didn't know what to do.
All right, just hang here because we're going to need to talk to you.
Will you mind putting that back up?
The officer, I think, is going to have a brain injury. He keeps asking the same question over and over again. I know he's still thinking about it, but the officer already answered him the last time.
You shot?
Where's your car? Right there? I'm right here. That's Floyd's car that got hit?
He was at the intersection right here.
Okay.
He was coming this way. He did. He were coming this way, and he literally just sees the cars and just right towards him. I mean, just moved.
35 eastbound in infirmary shut down also.
Boy.
You got to squeeze that shoulder, okay?
I need law department, PSP, and homicide to respond.
You're good. You got it. All right.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right, man.
What happened?
See?
Any traffic services through this morning, I need them to stay up here at that's 135.
All right, we got a turn coming up right now, okay?
Cruise at 90 and 35 westbound.
All right, you're right. Take that next turn slower. There you go. We're good.
We're clear. We have the westbound shut down. We also have an adjacent. You shouldn't get any traffic this way.
All right. What we got him here? He's got an injury to the head and also to the arm.
Oh! Now he's got another one.
Come this side.
Damn.
Take out this way.
Oh, check him too on the way.
My cruiser, move it up here. Text my family before they all freak out because everyone's family's going to be freaking.
Hey, will you you have my wife's number? She's gonna see it on the news. I know it if you wanna.
I don't have it.
Call it.
They were right in the middle of the intersection, and I was trying. There's too much radio traffic. I couldn't say anything. I didn't have time to get my rifle out. I just used my pistol.
Get you out of here.
You're good. We'll get you sorted out. Okay, we'll sort it out when we're
I didn't
done.
do anything wrong. I mean, everything's fine.
Look, you're here.
Yeah.
He's there.
Jose's there.
We got McGuire back in his cruiser. Okay. Everybody just sits in a car.
All right.
Okay. They should have covered this in the academy. When you use your gun in a use of force, you're gonna get separated out.
Oh, okay.
Text your family. Tell them you're good. All you need to tell your family is I'm okay. Okay. You can talk to them and say, hey, I'll talk to you guys later, but I'm okay. Otherwise, they're gonna see this on the news.
Start freaking
And someone got hit in the car.
Yeah.
Bad.
That car is not good. It's no bueno. I wasn't in it.
That's what I heard. That's good.
Poor guy. Like, I just talked to him.
Yeah,
I just
literally just pulled up and told him I was going to move up there.
You putting the rifle back here.
You ever watch your rounds hit somebody?
No.
Not a good, especially with this red dot.
We're here for you guys.
We're all here for everybody at this point.
They need my...
Yeah, we'll take care of everything else later, bro. All you gotta worry about is getting in this car and riding with me.
Dude, I saw the white dually coming at me, so I hauled ass up here. I was going to jump the berm after everybody cleared, and I looked to my rear view, and he drilled her. Drilled her car, and just drilled. It all happened extremely fast, but yeah, I think he was trying to kill her, for sure.
The officer inside the Trotwood cruiser that was crushed in the collision, Officer Michael Richardson, survived the impact, but the crash left him with severe injuries and lasting psychological trauma. Richardson developed PTSD from the incident and ultimately never returned to duty. The suspect was identified as James Michael Skirvin. Skirvin would go on to survive the incident as well. He was shot multiple times, pulled from the wreckage and given CPR by officers until medics arrived and transported him to the hospital. Skirvin was charged with a long list of offenses, including multiple counts of felonious assault on peace officers, aggravated menacing, vehicular assault, failure to comply, discharging a firearm near prohibited premises, improper handling of a firearm, aggravated possession of drugs, and the original felonious assault and domestic violence charges for attacking his daughter. In April of 2025, a jury found him guilty on nearly every count. The judge imposed a sentence of 58 to 63.5 years in prison, ensuring he will spend the rest of his life behind bars.
Word.
I built a